Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and on today's episode is going to be a vlog about how I traveled to Yaoundé and I got my passport within 2 days. Getting a passport in Cameroon has really been tough, especially for those in the diaspora, and coupled up with the crisis going on in the northwest and southwest region of Cameroon, creating a passport in those areas, boy, it's never going to come out. So last year the government embraced technology and made it possible for people to get their passport within 2 days or less. Cameroon passport gives you access to 45 countries around the world visa free. It was making it the 90th strongest passport in the entire world. So you all better stop minimizing our passport, because this passport can take you to places. It can take you to Gabon, it can take you to Equatorial Guinea, it can take you to Chad, Central African Republic, and other places. Yeah. So without much talking, guys, let's just dive into the business of the day and catch you soon. Peace. Before I go, guys, I know while watching this you must have subscribed already. Please just hit the like button. That's all I'm asking of you. Please do that right now. Thank you. A taxi is here already, and time is already running, but I don't have to hurry. I don't want to hurry because I might forget something crucial. So I'm taking my time. The time can keep on going. Like, I don't want to forget any essential document or something, or accessories. So I'm just looking around and making sure everything is set and ready to go. Okay. Good. So I left the house at 4:15. My bus was supposed to take off at 5 a.m. So this is what the streets of Douala looks like at 4:15 in the morning, and yeah, no street lights, nothing. So I used the touristic. This is what the waiting room looks like. I really love this agency. I'm not doing any promo or whatsoever, but I feel like in Cameroon they are the best right now. And we left at exactly 5 a.m. on the dot. So before heading to Yaoundé, you have to fill the form online and pay for your passport 110,000 francs through mobile money or your Visa card. That's when a date can be available for you. So we got into Yaoundé by 8:30-ish, like that, because I took the 5 a.m. bus touristic. So yep, this is us in Yaoundé. We are at Post-enrollment right now, and this is what it looks like with the Afghan fever hovering around it. So I had to certify everything first, all my documents, and I did that so easily. There are people here who are in charge of that. They can help you with, for just a small fee like 1,000 or 2,000. You can give them anything you have. So that was done pretty easy, and I have all my documents ready. So tomorrow I'll be heading to the center for passport, and hopefully it's as easy as I say it is. All right, guys, catch you soon. Let's tour Yaoundé together. So this is where you certify your documents. What you need are your ID card, certified copy, your birth certificate, certified copy. If you're a student's receipt or something. If you work, a working document. If you don't have a job, you just bring nothing. So right up there is the Center for Passport Production. It's located at Etudi, Laxelu or whatever. Yeah. Highway, that's what it means. So you climb through this dusty road and it's not easy. Okay, so I'm at the center right now. Let's go. Hopefully no troubles. So there's a policeman at the entrance who checks your documents and your attire. No shorts, no sleeveless. So when you get in, you're given a ticket with number on it. And when you're being called, you go to a counter for processing. So I was 159 and they were already at 153. So I didn't waste much time. I didn't waste time at all. It was just in, out, and boom, that's it. So here we have people waiting in line to be called for processing, and behind the backdrop we have officers who are just there to, every information has been imputed in the system already. You are just there to verify and take your pictures and sign. So when you're done with the enrollment process, upon leaving, there's a table by the door. You meet officers there, you give them back your documents, and they cancel all the certified documents because they don't want you using it somewhere else. You get. So if you're going somewhere else and you need a certified copy of your birth certificate or your ID card, you need to go back to the commissariat and create a new certified copy of that document. You don't need to use this one again because it serves its purpose already. So, yep, that's it. Now the wait begins. The wait begins for that SMS. Your passport is ready for pickup. The wait begins. Keep watching, guys. That's it. I'm done. That was fast and easy. Like so sick, like so good. I'm impressed, guys. I'm really impressed. Everything was done with ease. Thank God for technology, man. Thank God for technology. Yep. Peace. See you soon. Good morning, guys. So this is day 5 of my trip to Yaoundé, and I finally received the message. So there you have it. The application has been completed, and I'm ready for pickup. Yeah. So yeah, I'm heading to the passport center right now. It's 9 o'clock, 8:53. From there, I'll be heading back to the agency down to Douala.
Sortent dans le cadre de la médecine, c'est-à-dire des médecins, eux, ils ont une opportunité, c'est que quand ils le font à la spécialisation, ils vont pas libre.
I'm happy about everything. The ease with which it was done, no more standing in long queues and all that, bribing officers here and there to do you this or put you in front of the queue. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this journey with me, and see you guys on the next one. Peace. Bye bye. So yeah, we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, just remind yourself to hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to this channel. So yeah, so I went to Yaoundé on Monday, did all my certifications that same Monday. I went for my enrollment on Tuesday. I got my SMS on Thursday, and I picked up my passport on Friday. That was it. Pretty easy. No stress, nothing. So thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Peace.